Man, I'm so bored, what should I do today? I got it, I'm going to destroy the Lexus NX with a jackhammer. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Ha 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 ha. There, the deed is done. Oh shit, it's Microsoft Sam.
Lou, I just saw you destroying the Lexus NX with a jackhammer. Is this true?
Well, you're going to be so pissed when I tell you, but, yes, I destroyed the Lexus NX with a jackhammer because I was bored.
What? Oh my god, Lou, how fucking dare you destroy the Lexus NX with a jackhammer? You know that the Lexus NX costs $3,000. That's it. I will now take you to your guardians.
No. Santa Claus is coming to town.
And that's what happened. End of story.
Thanks for telling us, Microsoft Sam. We are going to deal with Lou right now. You are free to go.
Alright, Lucky Bat.
Louis Perfection, how fucking dare you destroy the Lexus NX with a jackhammer? You know that the Lexus NX costs $3,000.
I strongly agree with Lucky Bat. You are grounded for 28 months.
Go to your room now.
This is the worst day of my life.